Hello guys, this is Nero from Sama. And our coming next live stream, we are very happy to share with you guys our eSport partner special shape design cases, just like this big and cool guy in front of me. And follow our live stream or visit our online store, you won't miss our next live stream. And always welcome to send us an inquiry for more information. So see you guys.